Yung mga songs nyo masyadong komplikado. Hindi yan kaya kantahin ng masa. Parang dapat makagawa kayo ng kantang, kaya kantahin ng mga lasenggo sa kanto. Pag yan nagawa mo, sisikat na yan.
We wanted it to be a hit.
That song literally made us.
Inisip namin, bakit kaya? Sikat naman yung song. Na-realize namin, kasi malungkot.
Ako, that's what I take pride in, actually more than the music that we make. Malaking bagay sa akin yung kasundong-kasundo ka, totoong kaibigan ko yung mga kabanda ko.
Seryoso, sa sobrang tagal na nakalimutan ko na. Pero sige, paano ba? We were never really friends. No, joke lang. We were really friends first before being bandmates.
Oh, recording.
Hi, kami Itchiwers.
Kami nga we're just lucky na we've become really good friends.
Kasi nagkakilala kami 1996.
Nag-start kami sa Ateneo.
So, ako noon? 17? Parang gano'n.
Freshman kami. Ako si Kel tsaka si Jugs magkaka-batch. And then si Chino, teacher namin. Joke.
Actually, ako yung last member na sumali sa Itchy Worms in this lineup.
Magkakasama kami sa isang org sa school.
We joined an organization called AMP, Ateneo Musician School. Of course, Jazz, Jugs, and Kelvin were all part of the org.
So doon kami nagkita, doon kami nagkakilala lahat.
We were really tight as nung college, I think because of Ateneo Musician School. There were a lot of Ateneo musicians actually, like Jason Caballa, and Marie Hamora.
Hello, this is your event, and how do you feel and how happy are you? At ganda na hair mo, pero kailangan itaas, pare, hindi ibaba.
Jugs introduced me to Jazz and Kelvin one day in the amp room. Tapos, naalala ko, they were making jokes, and I just kept laughing because they're funny. Pero they never met anybody who would laugh at their jokes. So they said, let's be friends with her. She likes our humor.
Nagbuo kami ng banda kasi gusto lang namin pakatugtog dun sa Orsem night, yung freshman night.
Itchy Worms played the Orsem, orientation seminar ng Ateneo, and they played That Thing You Do, that cover from that movie.
The next year, yun, sumali na si Chino.
Nung nakilala ko sila, trio sila. Tatlo sila sa banda. So, Jazz, Kel, and Jugs.
Kaya kami nag-bond actually ng Worms nung college kami. Kasi pare-pareho kami mahilig sa Beatles. Parang kindred spirits makahanap ng kapwa Beatle fan during that age.
Hey, Jude! Yun talaga. As in, kaming apat, sobra kaming Beatles fans.
Yun talaga yung pinaka-common namin na influence na kaya kami nagkasundo. Kasi yun talaga yung hilig namin talaga at gustong-gusto namin tugtugin.
Nakita ko na mahilig sila tumugtog ng Beatles. And then, dahil ako mahilig din, sabi ko, uy, pa-jam naman sa isang show nyo kung pwede. So, they had me jam on one show and then later on, kinukuha na ako nung manager nila to session lang muna.
Sound trip kami together and nanonood ng mga movies, documentaries tungkol sa Beatles.
Yun na, sabi ko sa kanila, kasali na ba ako o ano?
The Itchy Worms, is a great excuse to hang out with my friends.
Yakit san Itchy Worm. Joke yata ng mga savior na konyo, ako naman tawagin konyo kasi.
Sa Ateneo, maraming higad. And may time na nahigad ako.
Sa school namin, maraming akasya. So, maraming mga higad na nakasabi. Parang may spider web.
Nahawakan ko yung higad and then dinala na ako sa clinic kasi namaga yung kamay ko. And then pag uwi ko, puro pantal yung buong katawan ko.
Literally joke lang yung pangalan namin. Kasi nung time na yun, parang never naman naisipin na abot kami ng 25 years.
25 years na kami together eh. So, mas matagal na talaga kami magkakasama kaysa hindi magkakasama.
Tatlong Webes na ang dumaan. Wala ka nang makita, di ka pa mag-alala.
Little Monsters Under Your Bed.
Yung first album, di pa kami sumikat agad nun.
Super bata pa kami nun. Newly grads. Wala kaming alam sa buhay nun. Wala kaming alam sa industriya.
Collection siya ng songs na meron na kami. Kumbaga natutugtog na namin yun live.
Para siyang college life. Lahat naman ng album namin, life namin.
Ginawa namin yun under Viva Records, 2001.
Tinulungan kami ni Buddy and Ellie to record the demos.
Actually, pag napakinggan ko yung album na yun ngayon, parang medyo chapsuy. Tsaka ang daming English. Noong time na yun, hirap na hirap pa kaming gumawa ng Tagalog songs.
Noontime Show naman was 2005.
We wanted an album na concept album na commercially viable.
So, dun kami naka-experience ng first na commercial success. Yung Akin Ka Na Lang, yung Beer Love Team.
Sana huwag mo kong sisihin kung di ko kayang pigilin. Sa akin ka na lang, at wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo.
Isa pang sinabi sa akin ng dad ko na advice. Sabi niya, yung mga songs nyo masyadong komplikado. Hindi yan kaya kantahin ng masa. Parang dapat makagawa kayo ng kantang, kaya kantahin ng mga lasenggo sa kanto. Pag yan, nagawa mo, sisikat na yan.
Nakakatuwa siya yung parang My Way ng Pilipinas. Pag My Way yung kantahan, nag-aaway yung mga tao.
Kailangan kantahin ko ng mga lasenggo sa kanto.
Huwag mo sanang limutin
ang mga araw na hindi sana naglaho.
Mga anak at bahay nating pinaplano.
Pinatanong kami na, di ba kayo nasawa tugtugin yung Beer? Ako hindi kasi that song literally made us.
Yan yung measure kung naabot mo yung most people na at na-accept ng tao yung mga kanta niya pag tinanakanta nila sa karaoke, di ba?
May mga times na hindi ko na kailangan kumanta dahil alam na lahat ng tao and sobrang nakakatuwa.
Hindi ako uminom ng beer, kasi ayoko yung lasa ng beer.
Lagi mong hinihinip nung bata ka?
Pagkain? Hindi ko na alam eh.
Pambili ng mga merienda sa tindahan.
Yung reason lang namin din for making that song.
Kasi that time, naghahanap kami ng parang, gawa tayo ng isang kanta na na pwede gamitin na kahit anong company for their products.
Kasi yung beer, gusto namin siya maging beer commercial song. Pero never nangyari. Inisip namin, bakit kaya? Sikat naman yung song. Realize namin, kasi malungkot. So, isip namin, huwag nga tayong masayang inuman song. So, yun yung pengen naman ako niya.
Pengi naman ako niyan. Pengi naman ako niyan. Pengi naman ako niyan. Pengi naman ako niyan.
We wanted it to be a hit. It was the first single.
I guess we can come up with catchy things kasi, catchy melodies, something na kaya mong kantahin, parang LSS factor.
Very parang mga conversational na sinasabi ng mga tao.
Anong title ng song? Pengi naman ako niyan. Ano yung chorus? Pengi naman ako niyan.
Pengi naman ako niyan.
It was directed by Quark Henares.
Penga was not an easy video to shoot kasi narrative siya.
Barkada rin namin siya nung colleges. Gets niya yung humor namin. Parang pinabahala namin sa kanya. Ikaw bahala.
Someone who's a fan and someone who's a friend. I'd never been really a collaborator with the Itchy Worms themselves. So when they sent me Penge, I was super excited. I remember, we had a lot of really cool ideas.
Nakakatuwa na sabi niya sa akin, yung concept ko dito is parang Rocky montage, training montage. Favorite movie ko yung Rocky series. Kaya nga gusto kong maging boxing hero dati.
Yung music video ng Minake-over kami.
This was like the pogi rock boom. So that was Q-Shade, that was Hale, that was Sponge Cola.
Sa simula, di ba sabi nung record executives, oh, ikaw.
Masyado kong mataba. Uy, grabe ka naman. Chubby and cute naman.
Ikaw, masyado kang maitim.
Ikaw, masyado kong maitim.
Ikaw, masyado kang in-check.
Ikaw masyado kang in-check.
Ikaw, masyado kang pretty boy.
At ikaw, mukha kang masyadong pretty boy.
And then what I love about Itchy Worms and Shudad and all of the other bands at the time, Sugar Free, parang barkada talaga yung itsura, diba? Like these are people you can drink at Merix with, these are people that you can, It was kind of like a satire or a parody of them undergoing a transformation, them working out, them, and then in the end, kind of just being replaced by, Pogi Boy. We shot in my mom's house, I remember, kasi may pole siya. We had Jazz trying to do pole dancing. Of course, we had Jazz running along the village. Siyempre, nahuli pa kami ng village guards. And then I think we even went to Belo to shoot Jugs undergoing cosmetic surgery. So parang imagine you're basically shooting a music video that's pretty hard to shoot in a day. Considering all the locations, considering all the and then you have to shoot another music video after.
Yung shoot na yun, tinuhog namin yun with another video. So like a 16-hour day, nag-shoot kami ng 2 video, yun at saka yung Freak Out Baby.
Freak out, baby. Welcome up, freak out, baby.
I remember Calvin telling me na, can you believe nakashoot tayo ng 2 music videos in one day? Parang, I don't think they'd ever done that. And then after that, it was like, okay, that's it. We're not gonna do this again.
Woo! Yeah!
Magkakaibigan kasi kami to begin with. Nagkikilala kami sa banda, tapos naging magkaibigan hanggang sa lumalim yung friendship namin. I think, dahil dun, wala kami masyadong problema.
Nandun na yung foundation of friendship before pa magkabanda. So, parang we don't see each other like professional workmates.
Kami nga apat, we're just lucky na we've become really good friends. Yung tatlong yan, ninong yan lahat ng firstborn ko. And ako, ninong ako ng firstborn ni Jazz. So, hindi na basta friendship lang. Alam mo yun, it's, family na talaga siya.
Gusto ko lamang sa buhay ay akapin.
Aking bagay talaga yung friendship dun eh. Lalo na nung mga first few years of touring, hindi ka pwedeng mag-tour ng kasama mo kagalit mo eh.
Yung samahan from making the songs to performing the songs, going to gigs, going out of the country, out of town.
It makes it much, much more bearable if you're with friends, if you're just hanging out. Yung tugtog, parang bonus lang yun. Pero yung hangout, yung masaya dun.
I met my wife just shortly before I met them. So, yun yung 2 longest relationships ko, my wife and the Itchy Worms. So, kung di pa family, di ba, ewan ko na.
Ako, that's what I take pride in. Actually, more than the music that we make. Malaking bagay sa akin yung kasundong-kasundo ka. Totoong kaibigan ko yung mga kabanda ko. Kaya rin siguro feeling ko tumagal kami ng ganito katagal.
Hindi ko alam na 25 years namin. 25 na ba talaga?
Not only that they could stand each other for 25 years, but it's also that they can make each other laugh for 25 years. Because it's like, a band is like a marriage. And the fact that they tour with each other, they made albums, they've spent hours, hundreds of hours together, but at the same time, they're not sick of each other. And I think it's because they can make each other laugh.
The Worms really do have a very good, parang almost perfect.
To our fans, thank you for sticking with us.
Thank you sa pag-support sa aming lahat.
For loving us, for listening to our music.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam kung yung mga unang fans namin nandyan pa. Like, unang fans.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo as much as we love making it.
Thank you for still being there and for still supporting the band, for still listening to the songs.
Thank you sa lahat ng fans.
Thank you.
Thank you for supporting us all these years.
Thank you.
And tuloy nyo lang yung pagkanta ng Beer sa Karaoke.
Ang beer na to o ang pag-ibig.
Hi guys, it's Jugs from the Itchy Worms. Don't forget to like and subscribe.